Hi, welcome to the True HR. We will empower you. I am Subrat Kumar. Today we are going to talk about how to negotiate your salary confidently. If you have ever felt nervous about asking for more money, don't worry. By the end of this video, you will know exactly what to say and how to say it. Let's get started. Before that, subscribe to our channel for job openings, career advice, and growth insight. Okay, now come to our topic today. Step 1, prepare yourself. The first step is to prepare. Before you walk into the negotiation, you need to know the market value of your role. Research salaries for similar job in your industry and location using sites like Glassdoor and LinkedIn. If you don't know how to do that, then just visit our website thetruehr.com and contact us by going our contact page. We are always there for you. Also, list out your key achievements, the projects you have completed, the skills you have improved, and the value you have added to the company. This will help you back up your request with facts, not just feelings. Step 2. Choose the right time. Timing matters. The best time to negotiate is after you have received a job offer or during a performance review. Performance appraisal, if your company is doing well or you have recently had a big win, that's also a good time to bring it up. Avoid asking for a raise when the company is cutting costs or facing challenges. Then step number 3, start the conversation confidently. When you start the conversation, be calm and direct. Well, here is an example of how you can say it. I'm really excited about this opportunity. I have looked at the market rates for this role, and based on my experience and the value I bring it to the team, I believe a salary of this amount of such would be fair. Is that something we can discuss? In this way, you can say, okay, notice how you are not demanding. You are starting a conversation. Keep your tone professional and positive. Then step number 4, handle pushback. If they say no or push back, don't panic. Stay calm and ask questions like, can you help me understand the budget for this role? This is a question you can ask to them. Are there opportunities for the performance-based increases in the future? If they can't meet your salary request, consider asking for other benefits, like I'm giving an example, extra vacation days, flexible hours, or professional development support, something like that. Several ways they can help you out. You can ask them. Stay focused on finding a solution that works both for you, means you and with your company. Then step number 5, end on a positive note. Whether you get the raise or not, thank them for the conversation. Say something like, thank you for considering my request. I am excited about the role and look forward to contributing to the team. This keeps the relationship strong, even you don't get exactly what you want, right? So these are some of the strategies through which you can negotiate your salary. Negotiating your salary does not have to be stressful. When you prepare well, stay calm and focus on creating a win-win situation, we will feel more confident. Remember, you deserve to be paid what you are worth, okay? If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tips on career growth. You can also click here to watch our other informative videos like here, right? Thanks for watching. Take care.